Yeah, तुम लोगों को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Hey guys, today is what, like today is 18 September. I actually had a dog bite today, like in here. Let me show. I had a dog bite here, and I got like like I got a lot of injection. Like I got like 4, and I got like 4. आज gate number 4 नहीं. Yeah. I got like 4 injections and it was like very hectic. I got like a little bit fever also. I went out. I did like 0 open today. I just winged only, and actually did 1 open, but it was like pushed from a friend. So, but I'll just count it as 1. But it was like 1 out of 4 day. I did my 20-minute 6 sets and like 20-minute timer set. Yeah. But that's about it. Like the main thing that I have noticed that I know it's gonna be awkward at first, but I'm just not going for it. And actually I had a fever, but I think I just like that analogy of like Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan, that they just go for it if they have flu or something like that. So I had that mindset just to come out, and I was just thinking like that, and that was like fucking me up a little bit, but it was good set. And I also learned from one of my friends that like these things are like resistance. It's coming on surface for me just to get healed, and it's very beautiful. Like like just have to stay, like just have to go out every day as I'm doing. Just have to like stick at it. That's it. Not give up, and that's it. That's gonna be like I'm gonna go like into security and see you. Phone, yeah. Yeah, so that's about it. And what else? No, like we are like very late, and I have to meet my friend, one of my friend also. And let me just take out my metro card. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, actually I'm like I like daily I usually get in by from gate number 4, but it's like so late, so I skipped it once, and I'm very aware, and it's like very aware. I'm not gonna do like from tomorrow, like when if I come next time, I'm not gonna do that. But that's about it. And yeah, that's for this video. I mean, I hope you like this. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'm just gonna hold like for 1 minute. Actually I'm with my friend, so it's gonna be very comfortable for me, but just to raise my voice it's gonna feel like awkward, but just gonna like do that as there's no other option than that. Yeah, आगे आ जाओ. Yeah, just gonna do like that, and that's about it. And yeah, actually this happens when you have like this winner effect unlocked in you. Like once you get winner effect like unlocked, then you just like fill this zone, and this is the zone that you want to get like when you come to the venue, and that's it. बस भाई यहाँ this is the best. He's my friend, he's my okay, I'll cut it. But that's about it. And yeah, actually the thing that I'm able to shoot like this, and I just shoot like whenever I just do like a lot of sets, just do like that. So it's just my winner effect has switched on, so just have to assume that first set's gonna be very awkward, then it's gonna be easy. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye. Like, share.